Hey students, as you know, I've been asking you to format the URLs for sound files in this hyperlink code, which, given the little triangle between the square brackets, creates a kind of play button of sorts. But over time, and I'm sure you agree with me on this, I've become increasingly annoyed with the way when you click on the triangle, that is the link, it opens a separate tab. To avoid this annoyance, I'm going to encourage you to insert the URL in some code that's a little bit more complicated. So cut the URL, Command X or Control X, and delete the hyperlink code. And in a new line, open a block reference with double parentheses in which you type XYZ and choose the string of code that brings up. Now this is just a reference block from inside our database, which you need to convert to text like this. Go into that code and replace the XYZ with the URL. This allows us to play the sound file without leaving the page.